What's up guys, check out this cordless grass trimmer. So it is a grass trimmer for your lawn, and you could also actually trim bushes and hedges with it as well. So it comes apart, you have to assemble it. It's very easy assembly. There's instructions that show you how step by step how to do it. It also comes with an extra battery. It comes with a charger so you could charge your battery. It comes with different blade attachments. So there's different blade attachments depending on what you're cutting. So like this plastic one is just for like grass, trimming the grass. And then it also comes with this blade that's more for thicker grass or thicker things you need to cut through. And then it also comes with this round saw blade, which will cut through like branches and things like that. Once you put it together, the one part that is hard is taking off this metal ring right here so that you can put the safety on. So what you need to do is, if you can't twist it off all the way, I ran it under some hot water and it came off pretty easy after that. And then you have to assemble all of it, and then to turn it on you just press these two buttons together, and then you can see it goes like that. So great for cutting the grass, for trimming like so, or edging. That's what I'm using it for. So go ahead, check it out.